हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम पढ़ रहे चैप्टर नंबर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू कॉमर्स एंड बिजनेस। इस चैप्टर के सारे टॉपिक्स डिस्कस हो चुके हैं। आज हम इस लेक्चर में एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। ये एक्सरसाइज आपको आपके नोटबुक्स में राइट करना है, लिखना है। सो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ एक्सरसाइज। क्वेश्चन 1A, select the correct option and write the sentence. First, a lawyer is dash. Answer is a professional person. Second, raw material is converted into finished product by dash industry. Answer is C, manufacturing. Third, actual buying and selling of goods is known as dash. Answer is B, trade. Fourth, national level code of conduct is prepared for dash. Answer A, professionals. Fifth, construction of dams is an activity done under dash industry. Answer is B, secondary. Sixth, the problem of distance is solved by dash. Answer is transport. Seventh, commerce is branch of dash. Answer is business. A, business. 8. Returns in business is called dash. Answer is C, profit. 9. A business unit depends upon dash for selling its output. Answer B, society. 10th, warehousing creates dash utility in goods. Answer is B, time. B, match the pairs. Group A, helping disabled person. The answer is fourth one, non-economic activity. B, genetic industry. The answer is third, sericulture. C, local currency. The answer is fifth, internal trade. D, solve social problems. The answer is social objective. C, give one word, phrase or term. First, a regular activity concerned with production and distribution of goods and services for profits. Answer is business. Second, human activities that are conducted for earning money. These activities, it means economic activities. Third, buying and selling of goods against money or money worth is called as trade. इसका आंसर है ट्रेड. फोर्थ, एक्टिविटीज दैट रिमूव ऑल द डिफिकल्टीज इन ट्रेड. आंसर इज एक्सिलरीज टू ट्रेड, या हम इसमें लिख सकते हैं एड्स टू ट्रेड. फिफ्थ, द टाइप्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्री दैट क्रिएट इमूवेबल वेल्थ. द आंसर इज कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री. Sixth, name the business activity which is concerned with production of goods and service. Answer is industry. Name the business activity which is concerned with distribution of goods and services. The answer is commerce. Eighth, the activity which provides mobility to man and material. Answer is transport. 9. An aid to trade which creates time utility. Answer is warehousing. 10th, an occupation by which a person agrees to provide expert services for a fees. Answer is profession. D. State true or false. First, business is an economic activity. Yes, it is true. Second, every profession is practiced for earning. Yes, it is again true. Third, primary industry is concerned with nature. True. Fourth, trade includes commerce. It is false. Fifth, warehousing removes difficulties of time. True. Sixth, trade includes buying and selling of goods and services. Yes, it is true. Seventh, profit leads to increase in overall efficiency of organization. It's a true sentence. Eighth, plant nursery is an example of extractive industry. No, it is false sentence. Ninth, industry creates farm utility. It is true sentence. Tenth, retailer is the link between manufacturer and wholesaler. This is wrong. It means it's a false sentence. Next, E, find the odd one. First, agricultural industry, extractive industry, genetic industry, manufacturing industry. Agriculture, extractive and genetic industries are the primary industries, whereas manufacturing industry is secondary टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. सो यहाँ पर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री ये ऑड है. सेकेंड, इम्पोर्ट ट्रेड, एक्सपोर्ट ट्रेड, होलसेल ट्रेड, एंटरपोर्ट ट्रेड. इम्पोर्ट, एक्सपोर्ट एंड एंटरपोर्ट ट्रेड ये फॉरेन ट्रेड है. होलसेल ट्रेड यहाँ पर ऑड वन है. थर्ड, बैंकिंग, इंश्योरेंस, ट्रांसपोर्ट, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. बैंकिंग, इंश्योरेंस, ट्रांसपोर्ट ये एक्सिलरीज टू ट्रेड है, वेयर एज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ये प्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड है, इसलिए मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यहाँ पर ऑड वन है. फोर्थ, टी, मिल्क, कॉफ़ी, मशीनरी. टी, मिल्क एंड कॉफ़ी ये कंजम्पशन गुड्स है, मीन्स ये कंज्यूम किए जाते हैं. मशीनरीज are used for production of goods. So machinery ये odd one है. F, complete the sentence. First, economic activities are those activities which are conducted to dash, conducted to earn money. Second, dash includes marketing of goods and services. The answer is commerce. Third, business is an dash activity. Business is an economic activity. Fourth, the basic purpose of dash is to earn profit. The basic purpose of business is to earn profit. Fifth, professionals charge dash in exchange of expert services. The answer is fees. Sixth, dash is the person who offers the work. Employer offers the work. Seventh, dash is considered as a reward for assuming several business risks. The answer is profit. Profit is reward. Eighth, industry creates dash utility. Industry creates farm utility. Ninth, in dash trade, goods are purchased and sold in bulk. In wholesale trade. 10th, dash is the link between wholesaler and consumer. The answer is retailer. G. Select the correct option. यहाँ आपको दो टेबल्स दिए हुए हैं ए एंड बी. जहाँ डैश है वहाँ पर आपको आंसर लिखना है. फर्स्ट, ट्रेड बिटवीन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. द आंसर इज फॉरेन ट्रेड और एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड. सेकेंड, परचेज ऑफ गुड्स एंड services from another country. The answer is import trade. Third, selling of goods to foreign customers. इट मीन्स ये एक्सपोर्ट ट्रेड है जहाँ पर गुड्स ये फॉरेन कस्टमर्स को सेल किए जा रहे हैं, एक्सपोर्ट किए जा रहे हैं, इसे हम कहेंगे एक्सपोर्ट ट्रेड. लिंक बिटवीन प्रोड्यूसर एंड रिटेलर. द आंसर इज होलसेलर. Question number H, answer in one sentence. Students, I am going to giving the answers in oral form because number of questions is too large. It is not possible for us to write down every answer. But after listening the answer, it is your responsibility to write down these answers in your notebook. Question number 1. What is an economic activity? Economic activity refers to action that involves production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Second, what is non-economic activity? Non-economic activities are those human activities which are performed to satisfy personal, social, religious, cultural, and sentimental requirements without monetary expectations. Third, what do you mean by wholesale trade? Wholesale trade refers to trade where goods are purchased in bulk. Fourth, what is the meaning of retail trade? Retail trade is a type of trade in which the retailer purchases goods from the wholesaler and sells these goods in smaller quantity to final consumers. Fifth, what do you mean by import trade? When goods and services are purchased from another country, then it is called as import trade. Sixth, what is export trade? When goods and services sold to another country, then it is called as export trade. Seventh, entrepot trade. Entrepot trade involves importing the goods from one country and then reselling these goods to another country. Eighth, what is meant by auxiliaries to trade? Auxiliaries to trade or aids to trade means all those activities that facilitate smooth flow of goods and services from manufacturer centers to consumption centers. Ninth, what is trade? Trade means an exchange of goods and services with money or money worth. 10th, what do you mean by commerce? Commerce is an activity which is supportable to the business and which is concerned with distribution of goods and services produced by the industries. 11th, what is primary industry? Primary industry is a category of industry which is concerned with the nature. It is nature oriented industry. What is secondary industry? Secondary industry is the industry which converts raw material provided by the primary industry into the finished goods. 13th, what do you mean by genetic industry? Genetic industry means that industry which is engaged in reproduction and multiplication of plants and animals. Question number I. Correct the underlined word and rewrite the sentence. First, business is non-economic activity. The correct answer is business is economic activity. Second, barter exchange is an exchange with money. The correct answer is goods और सर्विसेज. बार्टर एक्सचेंज में मनी इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता है, गुड्स और सर्विसेज एक्सचेंज होते हैं गुड्स और सर्विसेज के साथ. थर्ड, प्रोफेशन कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू अदर पर्सन. द करेक्ट word is cannot be transferred to other person. Fourth, capital is required for employment. Capital is required for business. Fifth, industry creates place utility. No, the correct word is transport. Transport creates place utility. Sixth, commerce represents supply side of market. The correct word is industry. Seventh, the basic purpose of business is to provide services. The correct word is on profit. The basic purpose of business is to earn profit. Remaining questions we will discuss in next lectures. Thank you, friends.